everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. Please don't forget to subscribe me. In this video I show you how the London breakout strategy works. Here we go. First we go market24hclock.com site. Set your time zone for detect Tokyo session limit. In my zone, this session is from 20:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. This strategy follows this process. For London break strategy, we use Forex trading session indicator. Select Tokyo time according your zone. This limit is Tokyo session and we wait for break up or down of this limit. Also we use a moving average 21 indicator. So we specify low and high of Tokyo session. Here we see a breakout. This candle closed under low line of session. We look for confirmation. It's pulled back and we see pressure of sell here. So go to sell. Where do we set the profit limit? Height of trading range. I copy this height and set TP for measure move of TR. You see risk to reward ratio is 2.6. In addition to this limit, I see a downtrend inside session TR. All of these candles are under moving average and this trend, so I expect continue falling until this line is broken. Now we go to previous day and check this strategy. Again, to take resistance and support line for Tokyo session. Also, I see an uptrend. Here there is not any breakout, so we expect this day will be a trading range. Of course, this trend should also be considered. So we go to sell in upper third. First take profit is this trend and second is support line of session trading range. Our risk to reward ratio is 3.88. We backtest another day. Again I detect session trading range limit. Do you see any trend here? No, and there's not any breakout. So we can go sell in upper third, but moving average is important. And here moving average acts as support line. And we see here an uptrend, so I try to enter by trading. Leg 1 equal leg 2, so we go long. Risk to reward ratio is almost 1. Here when this line was broken, we draw new support line and consider that line. Okay, note that practice and backtesting on the chart is the only key to success in becoming a trader. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me.